Welcome back to our channel where we're all about health and wellness. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that is extremely important to all of us, the immune system. Our immune system is what keeps us healthy, fighting off diseases and infections, and protecting us from harmful invaders. But did you know that there are certain things you can do to make your immune system bulletproof? That's right. In this video, we're going to be sharing with you some of the best ways to boost your immune system and keep it in top shape. But before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. We're always sharing tips and tricks to help you live your best life, and we don't want you to miss a thing. Now, let's talk about how to make your immune system bulletproof. Here are the top nutrients and habits you need to incorporate into your lifestyle. Number 1. Eat fruits and vegetables, including plenty of dark, leafy greens, bright red and orange veggies, and juicy berries. These colorful foods are packed with immune-boosting antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help protect your body from harmful viruses and bacteria. Number 2. Get plenty of restful sleep. Your body needs time to repair and recharge, and lack of sleep can weaken your immune system. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and try to establish a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down and fall asleep faster. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only great for your physical health but also helps boost your immune system. Studies have shown that moderate exercise can help reduce inflammation and promote the production of immune-boosting white blood cells. Number 4. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system over time, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress. Consider meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking time to relax and do something you enjoy every day. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help flush toxins out of your body and keep your immune system functioning optimally. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and try to limit your intake of dehydrating beverages like coffee and alcohol. Number 6. Incorporate immune-boosting foods into your diet. Foods like garlic, ginger, turmeric, and mushrooms have been shown to have powerful immune-boosting properties. Try adding these foods to your meals regularly to give your immune system an extra boost. Number 7. Take immune-boosting supplements if needed. While a healthy diet and lifestyle should be your first line of defense, certain supplements like vitamin C, vitamin D, and probiotics can also help support your immune system. Talk to your healthcare provider about whether these supplements may be right for you. In conclusion, our immune system is our first line of defense against illnesses and viruses, and it's important to take care of it. By incorporating these natural ingredients and strategies into your routine, you can boost your immune system and feel your best. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.